Goodbye Holden Commodore SS, hello VXR. Yes, after 4 generations and 40 years of rear drive V8 Holden muscle cars, welcome to Holden's brave new world of the all-wheel drive V6 sports sedan. The fact is that after General Motors signed the death warrant for the Australian-made Zeta platform in 2011, the performance flagship of Holden's first imported Commodore range was never going to be a rear-drive V8. So forget the fact it's not built here, and never mind the fact it's called a Commodore, because the new VXR has nothing in common with the old SS, and it's a miracle it exists at all. That said, the V6 all-wheel drive sports liftback has a lot to live up to. Just ask the 50% of VF2 Commodore buyers that opted for an SS, and it draws inevitable comparisons with Kia's V6 rear drive Stinger 330 SI, which wears the same $55,990 price tag. The VXR's 235 kilowatt, 381 Newton metre naturally aspirated 3.6 litre V6 may be well down on the 6.2 litre V8 of the SS, which was actually $1,000 cheaper in top-shelf SSV Redline manual sedan form. But it's not that much slower. With a 0 to 100 time of 6.2 seconds, it's only about a second off the pace in a straight line, and although it doesn't have a bellowing bent 8, its cracking V6 loves to rev, sounds better than any 6-cylinder Commodore before it, feels quick, and comes with a slick-shifting 9-speed auto as standard. At 1737 kilos though, it's no bantamweight, but it gets its power to the ground more efficiently thanks to a hyperstrut front suspension system and an adaptive all-wheel drive system with torque vectoring and a twin-clutch rear diff. And with a chassis tuned not by Holden in Australia but OPC at the Nürburgring, it delivers a good mix of ride comfort and playfulness via adaptive flex ride suspension settings including Tour, Sport, Performance and bespoke VXR modes. It looks the business too, with 20-inch alloys, Brembo front brakes, a sports body kit, leather bucket seats and VXR branding, and it comes with a host of new technologies like adaptive cruise control and LED matrix headlights, plus ventilated seats and all the latest safety driver aids. No, the new VXR isn't a tyre-smoking V8 Aussie muscle car, but nobody could have expected it to be. Instead, it's a sophisticated European sports sedan that makes up for its lack of V8 and rear drive with high levels of technology, refinement and just enough performance.